In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 194. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate at the services. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for services.emsc, click on the OK button or click on the Enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'd be navigated to the services. So at the services, you need to wait until you can see a list of services where here you need to find for background intelligent transfer service. Once you have find it, please make a right click, click on properties, set it into automatic, start the service, make sure that you will be able to complete the procedure. And once you have started it, I want you to click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, close the window, then proceed to the next solution, and that is you need to copy first the set of commands that I have given and then proceed to the button search bar, type for PowerShell. Then wait until you can see a window, which is the best match here in the window, Windows PowerShell. Navigate at the right side and go with Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please copy and then paste it here. And then you need to proceed to the restarting of your device the moment you have completed the first command. And then once you have restarted it, I want you to open the PowerShell again. Then copy the second command, which is this. Copy and paste it here. Click on the Enter key, complete the procedure, restart your computer again for the second time, and check if the error has been fixed. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.